Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify financial health with Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify financial health with Amazon, start by accessing the Amazon Seller Central homepage. Log in to your seller account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section in the top menu. Select Business Reports from the drop-down menu. In the Business Reports, locate the sales performance charts for your products. Analyze the data to evaluate overall sales trends. Next, review your inventory reports. Check for stock levels and inventory turnover rates. Monitor your performance metrics in the Performance section. Pay attention to order defect rates and customer feedback scores. Now, proceed to check your Payments section. Review the disbursement reports to understand cash flow. Compute your total fees and expenses by accessing the Fee Preview tool. After gathering the data, calculate your net profit margin. Consider both fixed and variable costs for an accurate picture. Make a comparison of your sales against operational costs. Finally, create a summary report of your financial health findings. Identify any areas of concern that need improvement. Develop an action plan to address these issues as necessary. Regularly monitoring these metrics will help maintain a healthy financial standing with Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.